This video is to show how services can be provisioned from Matrix42's workplace automation and then pass through to the automation tool of your choice. I'm going to use a software request as an example, but these requests are just as valid for mobile device activation, a virtual desktop request, which is another video, and various other automatable tasks. I'm logged in as Maria, an ordinary user, and on the right hand side we can see things specific to Maria, and we can obviously go in and change personal information, have that reflected straight into Active Directory, and on the left hand side we have all of our service requests that we can ask for. At any time we can go into the catalogue, and the catalogue allows us to search by category, for example, where we can then peruse the various applications, or we can use search terms, and we can manipulate the search terms to drive user behavior. So if we look for editor, we can see here we have some software called Helios TextPad, and if we look at this icon, it means that this is going to require the definition of a target during the order process. So I, as Maria, simply add to cart. Here's the asset that's associated with my logon, and this icon here allows me to search for further assets, assuming I have permissions to do so. And if I click submit, this now takes me to the checkout screen, shows me the total costs, and we're good to go. This particular piece of software requires an authorization, and we can see here that this software is waiting for an approval from a decision maker. And if I just refresh the screen quickly, I can drill into that approval to see who the decision maker is, and I can click remind to send them an email. If I log in as the approving manager, who's Mike Mitchell, Mike has a very similar view to Maria, but he has a couple of extra pieces. Define your delegate, so when he's on holiday, who authorizes in his absence, and also he has a management area and a decision area. So in his management area, he's able to drill into, let's say, cost center trends to see exactly how much money he's been spending and what his budget is for, in this particular case 2010, but could be any year. And we can see what's been spent and what the trend is towards the end of the year. So he's going to hit the end of the year on €1,235 for his budget. He can approve further requests. He has the budget to do so. So we can jump into the decision area, and we can see Helios TextPad from Maria, and he can approve that. And then if we jump back to Maria, what we'll see is her process has jumped onto provisioning. So what we're waiting for now is for the provisioning to occur, and that's going to kick the automation tool of your choice. Could be SCCM, could be Imperium from Matrix42, Marimba from BMC, it could be Altiris, Landesk. All these integrations are already built into the product. And what we see now is that the software delivery has occurred, and we're waiting for acceptance by Maria. So Maria now jumps into this particular application. Yep, it works, happy. And we can now go to acceptance and accept that this service has been carried out. Thank you, IT. And this software is now installed, ready to go, and the request is closed.